Sluggish, anxious, muscle fatigue. Athletes, if you're facing any of these regularly, then there could be a chance you might be missing one mineral, and that is magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals but is often overlooked. Hardly anyone knows how essential magnesium is and how it can improve your physical performance. So here are the facts for you, and stay tuned as I'm going to tell you how this simple mineral can improve your sports performance. Welcome to my channel. I am Rashmi Cherian, registered dietitian and sports and exercise nutritionist. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified about my new uploads. Magnesium is the fourth most abundant mineral in the body, but is also one of the most commonly lacking micronutrient. Approximately 60% of it is found in bones and 30% in cardiac and skeletal muscles, which makes its availability extremely important for athletes and anyone who trains and works out on a regular basis. High physical demands of training and competition appears to increase magnesium losses. Magnesium is also lost through sweat. So athletes training hard in hot and humid environment might further increase demands. A marginal magnesium deficiency impairs exercise performance and increases the negative effects of strenuous exercises. Studies suggest that strenuous exercise increases the demand of magnesium by 20%. Also, the athletes participating in sports requiring weight control like wrestling, gymnastics are particularly prone to magnesium deficiency. So overall, magnesium is required by almost every cell and is vital in more than 300 chemical processes that sustain basic human health and function. And a small shortfall in magnesium intake can seriously impair athletic performance. So magnesium nutrition is an area that no serious athlete can afford to overlook. So let's take a look at 8 important benefits of magnesium for athletes. Number 1, magnesium is crucial in the production of ATP, which provides energy for the muscles. Strenuous exercise greatly increases the demand for ATP to fuel performance. So magnesium deficiency can reduce ATP production, which in turn will reduce energy production, leading to fatigue, lethargy, reduced power, and muscle cramping, ultimately affecting performance. Number 2, magnesium plays an important role in protein synthesis, making it important for strength and power. And magnesium also contributes to the process of muscle contraction and relaxation. Number 3, magnesium appears to lower lactate levels in the blood. How? So magnesium is important for the conversion of glycogen to glucose, which is body's main fuel during exercise. And magnesium also helps to move this glucose or blood sugar to the muscles. So if you're deficient in magnesium, your body will not get enough fuel, and as a result, lactic acid will build up in the body. Now, lactic acid is a metabolite produced by intense physical exercise, and if it builds up, it limits muscle performance, and as a result, you get tired faster. Also, exercising without sufficient magnesium will also lead to increased consumption of oxygen and heart rate. So sufficient magnesium is essential for optimum performance. Number 4, good magnesium level also helps to speed up muscle recovery. So it works by blocking calcium uptake. So magnesium acts as a natural calcium blocker to help muscles relax after contracting during intense workout. Magnesium also activates vitamin D. So low levels of vitamin D can cause muscle weakness, which can reduce muscle mass, affecting performance. Number 5, since 60% of magnesium is found in bones, it is essential for bone health, especially during growth and exercise. Young athletes in particular should be aware of magnesium status, as magnesium plays a critical role in bone formation and maintaining bone density. Magnesium also helps with calcium absorption and bone building by converting vitamin D into its active form. Number 6, magnesium can help you drop fat and get leaner. Yes, that's right, because low magnesium decreases insulin sensitivity, making it harder for you to lose fat. So by improving magnesium levels, athletes, you can change your body composition. Number 7, magnesium also plays an important role in boosting your immunity. It works like an antioxidant, protecting you from diseases. And number 8, magnesium helps in improving sleep quality, and good sleep is an essential part of any training program. So you see how important this micronutrient is. Now hold on, don't run and start another supplement. First look at how much you need common food sources and then check the symptoms to see if you're low. Oh, by the way, I have already made a detailed video on the importance of magnesium in general for everyone, along with recommended intake and food sources rich in magnesium. So don't forget to check out that video for more details. And athletes, to make your life easier, here are a few signs and symptoms of magnesium deficiency. And if you're experiencing any of these symptoms, then it's time to up your magnesium levels. So overall, the more you train, more magnesium you need in your diet. Athletes, don't underestimate the importance of magnesium. As you have already understood now, magnesium is required at every step, right from energy production to recovery. So even a small shortfall can seriously impair your athletic performance. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.